Will help us with safety, so.
And a decent shot.
Helps today, hopefully.
Yeah.
Didn't even flinch at that.
Dad has no fear. What done?
Oh. No, she don't like this cold weather. Too cold, too cold. Oh. Right, so we're out in the woods again, on my mate's airsoft site, having a little look around, making sure everything's safe, getting everything ready, and yeah, let's see if we can find some mushrooms while we're walking around. Hopefully we'll spot some morels. I'm after some morels this year. I've never found a morel. I got sent some by a Canadian friend, dried ones, but I've never seen one in England, and we're in pine forest, so hopefully we'll see a morel. Or a load of them. Get some morels. Yeah. Look at all these little birch polypores everywhere. They're cool, man. Known as the razor strop fungus. You can use them to sharpen your knife on. You can even use them for treating wounds. You can peel off the skin and stick it on like a plaster. Really cool fungus. I've seen people eat them, and I've even heard of people making friction fires with them. I've never done any of that, but maybe when they get a bit bigger, I'll take one back and give it a go. This is a deer stalker's paradise, this place. There is deer sign everywhere. I mean, we saw 2 herds when we were coming in this morning. Can't really argue with it, to be fair. It is quality. Look, let me turn the camera around. It's beautiful. And then later on it's going to be loads of shouting and kids running around with BB guns, but hey ho. I brought the boy up here today for his first airsoft game, so hopefully he'll have fun and enjoy himself. I could walk around these places all day. Keep your eye out for mushrooms, Thomas. I suppose there was a frost this morning, so maybe not any mushrooms, but we never know, we never know. Yeah, you're going to have a bubble bath, Thomas, mate. Cockney rhyming slang for laugh. You having a bubble? Stand it round to do the old survivor man. Today I'll be surviving next to a road and there's a shop round the corner. That's the English version anyway. There's lots of bird song, buds are on the trees. You look behind me, the sun's coming out. It's beautiful. Spring is definitely on the way. Still a bit nippy, still a bit frosty, so can't really say it's, you know, it's warmed up enough yet. But it's beautiful. I mean, look at this down here. Look at it. And the old sun over there. I'm a bit out of breath. But yeah, I mean, you can't get better than this. I mean, you know, you can keep your fancy cars and your posh houses and all that sort of stuff and all your money, as long as I've got enough food and a roof over my head and I can come places like this, my life is successful and complete. And that's how I judge success. I judge success, I can't even talk, I'm missing a tooth. I judge success by how much knowledge you've obtained and how at peace you are, you know? As the old saying goes, health is wealth. You could be the richest man in the world and drop dead, and all that money and stuff amounts to nothing. But it's the experience of life that counts. It's what you do, you know, what you know. Now I've lost my mate and my stepson somewhere. Let's give him a call. You! Where are you? Oh, I can hear you. Let's flip this camera around. Let's have a look. Any mushrooms about? Any mushrooms about? Get your eyes peeled. Every season has a certain smell to it, and I just stopped at the top of this little hill and I can smell it. That spring smell. You can smell the blossom in the air, you can smell the earth, the moss. Where the sun's been on it, there's a very fresh, lovely smell to this place. And when I stopped and smelt it, it just brought back so many memories. It was brilliant. It just yeah, I'm a weirdo. I walk around the woods sniffing things. Listen to those birdies. Ooh. A lot of deer activity through here. Just opposite you. I'm just behind that big tree that's fallen over. Yeah, man. Nice to hide behind. Good place to sit and have a sandwich.